Hope everyone's staying safe. This morning we are in, I believe it's Grapevine, Texas, over by Dallas, Texas. We came up to Gateway Classic Cars. Do a little walk around, show you guys some of the cars they have here. Now, talking to the guys here, to Steve, he said every car here is on consignment. So the whole dealership is basically made up of other people's cars that they're trying to sell. But he made a good point. If you're trying to sell a car, this is the way to go, especially a classic car. Bring it out here, drop it off, let them know what you want for it. They'll try to get you as much as they can for it. They'll sell it for you. Cool thing about that is that if you need financing, well, you yourself are not going to finance a car, obviously, right? But they'll get financing for the new buyer. So that's a big plus. So as far as I've looked, did some research on these guys. Oh, look at this. Buick GS Stage 1. These guys got a lot of stores. I think they have one in Houston. This is in Dallas. I know they have a store in Florida, Oklahoma, I believe. So, oh, look at that Lotus Esprit. Got a Datsun. If you're into old school imports. Got a Pontiac Sunfire. I think that's what that's called. Correct me if I'm wrong. 55 Chevy. Porsches. DeLorean. Wow. Real nice stuff in here. So why are we here? Well, because we needed to invest some money in something. And we came up here to take a look, see what they had. Something to basically hold some money for a while. A little hot rod. Corvette fuel injection. Cool. And again, all these cars here are under consignment. So somebody brought it over here for them to sell. For them to show off and get financed. A C10 with a LS motor in it. All right. So again, this is a Gateway Classic Cars, Grapevine, Texas, Dallas, Texas. Ooh, look at this one. Another C10 with a turbo. Check that out. Very nice. So apparently, guys said that there's been people fighting over that truck. Got gloves on for protection. I also have my face covered up. All right, so this is what we got, guys. 1978 SC Pontiac Trans Am. 400 Pontiac motor. 400 transmission. No, I'm sorry. I'm lying to you. It's a four-speed transmission. So right now the goal is just to get it home. We got about a 7-hour drive back home. So Gotta load up and gotta go. I'll do another video later showing the car off to you guys. Maybe a drive around video that you guys can take a look at. But hope you guys enjoyed that. Share, subscribe. Set off your little notification bell so you'll get an alert when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.